I'm going to show you how to crochet the perfect circle. This technique will help prevent against the sharp edges that are created when the increases are stacked on top of each other. This is the formula for a circle. You notice every round you are increasing your stitches. With this formula, the increases will be built on top of each other. So I'm going to show you the method to help prevent against that. Start with a magic ring. I'll go slowly for those of you who do not know how to make one yet. Chain 1, work 10 single crochets into the ring. After you make your 10 single crochets, go ahead and tighten up your ring by pulling on the tail. Slip stitch into the first single crochet, chain 1, then we are going to increase this round by putting 2 single crochets into every stitch. Slip stitch into the first single crochet. Chain 1. Start this round with an increase by putting 2 single crochets into that first stitch. And 1 single crochet into the next stitch. Continue this pattern by doing an increase followed by 1 single crochet into the next stitch all the way around. Ending with 1 single crochet into the last stitch. Slip stitch into the first single crochet and chain 1. This is the point where we have to make sure we are not making an increase on top of another increase. So we're going to do a single crochet into the first 2 stitches. Then we will make our increase into the 3rd stitch. Continue this pattern all the way around. Single crochet into the next 2 stitches, followed by your increase. End this round with an increase into the last stitch, because remember, we began this round with a single crochet into the first 2 stitches instead of an increase. Slip stitch into the first single crochet and chain 1. To prevent stacking of the increases, for this round we are going to do 1 single crochet into the first stitch, then we will make our increase into the next stitch. Make 1 single crochet into the next 3 stitches. Increase into the next stitch. Continue the pattern of 1 single crochet into the next 3 stitches, then an increase into the following stitch. You will end this row with 1 single crochet into the last 2 stitches, since we began this row with only 1 single crochet. Slip stitch into the first single crochet of the row. Notice how nice and round the circle looks, and if you look closely, you will see that the increases are spread apart and not built on top of each other. Don't forget to tighten your magic ring, and I always like to put a knot at the end to help secure it. Feel free to be creative to prevent the stacking of increases however you see fit. This is just the way I happen to do it.